Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Accord key battery. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. Having the right tools ready makes the process smooth and quick. Replacing the battery yourself is a simple task that saves you a trip to the dealership. It's a quick fix for a common issue. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge. Gently insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your car, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.